Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox Studio on mobile. While the full Roblox Studio application is primarily designed for desktop computers, many users wonder about mobile access. We'll explore the current capabilities and limitations of using mobile devices for game creation within the Roblox ecosystem. This guide will help you understand what's possible and what's not, offering practical insights into mobile development. It's important to understand that the official Roblox Studio application is not directly available for download on mobile operating systems like iOS or Android. This means you cannot simply install it from an app store. The robust features and complex interface required for detailed game development are best suited for a larger screen and more powerful processing, which mobile devices typically do not provide for this specific software. While direct mobile use isn't feasible, there are indirect methods you can explore. One common approach involves using remote desktop applications to access a computer running Roblox Studio from your mobile device. Another option is to utilize cloud-based virtual machines, which provide a desktop environment accessible via your phone or tablet. These methods require a strong, stable internet connection and might introduce some latency. For serious and efficient game development, a dedicated desktop or laptop computer remains the recommended platform due to its power and interface. However, mobile devices are excellent for testing games you've already created on a desktop, allowing you to check functionality on the go. Looking ahead, Roblox may introduce more streamlined, mobile-friendly creation tools in the future. But for now, desktop is king for building.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.